In today's video, I'm going to teach you the guide using lovable.dev, a platform designed to streamline the creation of engaging web projects. Let's jump right into the process to transform your ideas into a marketing powerhouse without getting overwhelmed by complexity. To start off, navigate your browser to the Lovable website. Once you're there, you'll want to engage with the interface by typing in the highlighted sections. This will allow you to unlock specific features and tools tailored to enhance your workflow efficiently. As you interact with these sections, pay attention to the various options that pop up, as they offer valuable pathways for customization. Next, you'll notice options named Thought. Click on this option and hold for about 10 seconds. This action often triggers critical reflective prompts that enhance your design decision-making. It's worth repeating this step twice to ensure all aspects are thoroughly considered, setting the foundation for a thoughtfully designed project. With these initial steps complete, move on to the exciting part, crafting an impactful landing page. Select the option that allows you to create a modern marketing website with engaging elements such as a hero section, testimonials, and strong calls to action. Don't worry if some of these elements seem tricky initially. Lovable.dev provides user-friendly instructions and plenty of flexibility to tailor these elements to your needs. Once the basic outline is set, you should focus on spinning up a preview. This option, available with just a click, allows you to visualize the changes you've made instantly. A key step in ensuring that each element aligns with your original vision. Additionally, selecting specific elements for modification is a neat feature to utilize. It lets you adjust and personalize your project without altering your primary structure. Moving forward, you have the option to upload images, giving your project that personalized touch by using references that align with your brand. These visuals are crucial in creating a cohesive look and feel, impacting visitor engagement positively. After incorporating those images, viewing an instant preview provides a real-time glance at your evolving project. Before moving to the final steps, take a moment to set custom knowledge for every edit. This feature is perfect for leaving notes or reminders about why you made specific changes, especially useful if you're part of a collaborative team. Speaking of collaboration, connecting to Supabase for backend support and integrating collaboration through GitHub significantly enhances efficiency and teamwork. As you approach conclusion, remember to utilize the deployment feature to launch your site once everything looks up to par. You're also encouraged to engage with AI chat features that allow you to fine-tune or troubleshoot any last-minute hitches. Feel free to explore all available features to ensure your website presents the innovative edge needed in today's digital marketing landscape. Congratulations on maneuvering through these steps. Your website is ready to reach the world. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your web creation journey.